He gets off the couch, does a spin move, and shits on my wall.
Okay.
Back up. Girl, back up. Give me some space.
Can you say hello?
Guys, stop. Just kidding. Get him! Get him!